Have you ever wanted to paint rich, glorious, vibrant, glowing glass still lifes, but you don't know where to start? Hello, my name is Lindsay Weirich, and painting glass is one of my favorite subjects in watercolor. In my watercolor glass class, I'll teach you how to take some basic techniques, combine and stack them to create glorious, glowing glass still life paintings. We'll go through basic techniques, basic tips, and I'll show you how to stack these different techniques together so you can create an infinite variety of glass effects in your work. Then in the second section of this course, we'll go through some full painted still lifes so you can see how to approach a bunch of objects together and a variety of different objects and colors so you'll be able to create whatever your heart desires when you're done this course. And there's a spot under every single lesson where you can share your work so I can see what you are coming up with, and if you have any problems along the way, I can help you. If you're ready to improve your glass painting skills in watercolor, I encourage you to join me in this watercolor glass class. Click the Enroll button and join me today.